What's up, everybody? We back again with another video, and what a move SPY did today. Almost $8 from bottom to the top. That was a crazy move. It didn't look back once. I hope you took advantage of that move, and now we're going to get into what does that mean going forward for the SPY, and what does it look like on the daily chart, on the weekly, and how can you prepare yourself so that you can trade adequately towards the coming week. All right, so we're going to go over it real quick, and we're going to start off by looking at the SPY. All right, so looking at the SPY, we had previously talked about this box, right? And how it was going sideways for all this time. Now, we broke down out of the box yesterday. Overnight, we gapped up, and this move never looked back. Barely you have a red candle anywhere till you had to the tippy top here. Now, what I want you to see is that's interesting. You have this uptrending channel here, right? And we're basically retesting this channel and possibly gonna dump tomorrow. Now, if we gap up and we reclaim this channel, meaning we're somewhere up here at 413, then we can see that SPY is bullish again, right? And that would make this chart go from the hour. See this big bullish candle here, right? Retesting this line here that we're seeing from this uptrending channel, right? So we're retesting. We broke down 2 days ago, retesting now, and this is probably the retest before we make the next move down. But if tomorrow we get a bullish candle reclaiming this channel here, then we know that SPY is bullish, especially if it breaks this 415 area here, and ultimately breaking this 418 area for a higher high, right? Because we have these lines here indicating the trend, but we also have these highlighted areas that I put in with these circles indicating that we're getting higher lows and higher highs. So now we want to see if tomorrow we're going to get another bullish candle to reclaim this channel here, right? And that's going to flip this weekly candle, right? And finish off a bullish hammer, which is extremely bullish, right? That's an extremely bullish reversal. So if we trade down tomorrow, this candle is going to finish on a Friday red, and then we can see the next move down, right? All the way up to here, because this would be the 50 moving average support. But it would be nice to see if SPY can actually trade up, right? Come out of this range and trade above this 415 area, and then going back to this higher high here and finally trading above that maybe next week, right? So what we want to see is how this candle is going to finish for the week, right? Then we can go back to the daily chart, and looking at this daily chart, we can see sideways action, reclaiming here, a breaking out of this box and going back into this channel. Now that would make SPY bullish again. It's funny because this is exactly what I had mentioned in the last video. I typically wanted to see this candle here reclaim the box, but let's see if this is a retest or if tomorrow we're going to trade back inside this channel, all right, and close in here so that the weekly candle can close bullish and we can see a bullish move next week for our higher high that we've been looking for, right? And that would be extremely nice because we can finally break out of this range that we've been rejecting inside of. So we come up here, reject, come up here, reject, come up here, and now finally we might be getting the breakout that we're looking for. But if tomorrow we trade down, now we know that this was only a retest of this uptrending channel and that we're going to see a next move down. All right. This video was quick and short. It's just a SPY review for tomorrow so that you can be ready and have an idea of what exactly I'm looking at in the markets. And let me know any feedback that you guys have, any symbols or tickers you want me to look at. And that's it. Just trade smart, trade with a strategy, have a plan. Make sure you look at the structure. Make sure you pay attention to what's going on in the market. Don't put too much on your plate. That's going to confuse you. Write out your plan. Think about what we talked about. Think about what you think is going to happen and make a plan according to that. All right. Trade smart. And until next time, thank you for watching.